do you think companies can further leverage these technologies to stay ahead of the competition?
Future, okay. When we talk about future of digital transformation, I think there are four key elements. One, autonomous and AI-driven manufacturing. It's no more assisted, it will be AI-driven manufacturing. And second, hyper-connected factories on an industrial IoT platform. Human-machine collaboration. It's going to go to the next level. Sustainable and green manufacturing, which is a focus area of every responsible business. These are the four key themes which I see as part of the future of digital transformation. Autonomous and AI manufacturing, especially AI and machine learning, will take over real-time decision making, optimizing the production and minimizing downtime. So it's also an opportunity for the businesses who are struggling with gaps in the expertise and skill set, right? And self-learning algorithms which can predict failures, which can adjust the workflows, AI-powered robots, autonomous machines, which will enhance the precision and also the efficiency of manufacturing lines.